Today we create something simple, natural, and rustic jute thread, beautiful rich designs. We gives you amazing ideas, beautiful crafting ideas, beautiful wreath ideas, woven with warmth, peace, and mindfulness. Every started of jute carries a story of earth, of touch, and of time. As we wrap it gently, loop by loop, we find a stillness in every motions. The beauty of rustic craft. Rustic craft is more than decoration. It's the return of simplicity. A reminder that beauty doesn't need to be shine or glitter. It simply needs to feel real. The rough textures of jute, the gentle colors of nature, the touch of handmade care. These are the little things that brings the soul of X-Mix alive. When we craft by hands, we slow down. We listen to the sound of twine, to the whisper of our thoughts, to the heartbeat of calm creativity. Jute is a gift from nature, strong, humble, and beautiful is simplicity. It connects to us, earth beneath our hands. Each fiber reminds us of patience and sustainability. Working with jute brings a mindful rhythm, the breathe, wrap, tie, breathe. It almost the meditation where creativity meets calm. And as your wreath begins to take shape, you will feel something special, a quiet satisfactions, a moment balanced in the middle of busy days. The wreath meaning minor, the wreath or dorate, as it was once loving called, is a circle of peace. No beginning, no end. It symbolizes hope, unity, and love that continues through every season. When we hang a wreath at our door, we are not just decorating, we are welcoming warmth, inviting joy, and celebrating togetherness. Every pine cone, every motion, every little touch add a memory to your love. It's more than art, it's feeling. Crafting with your hands brings healing, slows the heart, and invites mindfulness into the moment. It teaches patience, it awakes creativity, it reminds us that peace isn't we. Peace isn't something we search for. It's something we create. Each rustic crate is a front of gratitude of nature, for time, for the ability to make something with love. Are you finished your jute crate? Take a deep breath and look at what you are created. What you have created, a symbol of warmth, crafted by your own hands. Let this rustic creation remind you the best moments are best slowly, the best gifts are made with care, and the best X-Mix begins with peace within. So thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today. We will try to make something different, something beautiful, something crafty. And we want to create something new and amazing. So viewers, have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. We will try to upload some amazing and newly things for you. Newly and amazing things for you. Wishing you a very happy and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Your comments are really miserable and amazing creative. Very beautiful and amazing designs, very beautiful and creative ideas. So wishing you a very happy festival, very happy holiday. In this video we have created an amazing moment with share with you. Some amazing crafting ideas share with you. So whether we are try to bring amazing and rustic ideas for you. So thank you for amazing response. We try to bring amazing and unique ideas. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Keep making something amazing. Keep making something unique and creative. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Take care. Stay blessed. Or tell me your opinion in the comment section. We will definitely try to upload what you want to watch in our new video, and we will definitely try to upload what you want to watch with us. And your comment is so precious for us. Wishing you a very happy and good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Very happy festival, very happy holiday. Good luck to you. Remember me in your prayers, and God bless you all. Take care, stay blessed. And we try to bring amazing and unique ideas, unique designs. Take care, stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Fi amanillah. And अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. And keep crafting, keep doing something amazing and beautiful designs. We try to bring amazing and unique design. We try to bring best ideas for you. Take care. God bless you all. Take care. Have a very nice and beautiful day.